Welcome to Start Autoz Time, the place where speed becomes soul, design becomes emotion, and machines become legends. Today we're diving deep into a name that has defined performance, elegance, and thrill for over a decade, the Audi R8. And this time, it's the 2025 Audi R8. Possibly the last of its kind, and perhaps the most refined version to ever grace the roads. The Audi R8 has always been more than just a super. It's the car that brought race-bred performance to the streets while maintaining everyday usability. In 2025, Audi has taken everything they've learned from years of motorsport innovation and design and poured it into this latest and likely final iteration of the R8. It's not just a car, it's a grand finale, a beautiful, loud, and adrenaline-pumping farewell to an icon. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Audi R8, you know you're looking at something special. It's sleek, muscular, and precise. The wide, aggressive stance screams performance, while the subtle changes in the front fascia, laser-sharp headlights, larger intakes, and redesigned rear diffuser all add to the R8's already stunning presence. It's a car that blends luxury and aggression with perfect balance. Every angle has been refined to give the R8 a sharper, more futuristic look without compromising the purity of its original form. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, lies the beating heart of the R8, a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine. In an era where downsizing and turbocharging have taken over, Audi chose to give the R8 a proper send-off with this masterpiece of a powertrain. This engine produces up to 620 horsepower in the R8 Performance Quattro variant, launching the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.1 seconds, and pushing to a top speed of over 330 km per hour. It's raw, it's loud, and it's unapologetically old school in the best possible way. One of the most defining traits of the R8 has always been its sound. The V10 doesn't growl, it screams. The moment you press the start button, the engine bursts into life with a deep, thunderous roar that quickly builds into a high-pitched wail as you push the revs. It's not just an engine note, it's an experience. And the 2025 model refines that audio signature even further, making sure that every rev, every downshift, and every acceleration tells a story. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find the perfect harmony of function and finesse. The interior of the 2025 R8 carries Audi's signature clean, driver-focused layout. Everything is built around the person behind the wheel. The virtual cockpit remains one of the most intuitive digital gauge clusters in the business, giving you access to performance data, navigation, and car settings, all at a glance. High-grade Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber trim cover nearly every surface, while the sports seats hug you in place as if the car is ready to race at every turn. This is a car built for the road, but it feels just as comfortable on the track. Thanks to Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the R8 delivers incredible grip in all conditions. Whether you're launching off the line, carving through corners, or dancing through wet mountain passes, the confidence this system provides is unmatched. Audi's magnetic ride adaptive suspension reads the road 1,000 times a second, adjusting in real time to deliver the perfect blend of comfort and control. Despite its supercar credentials, the Audi R8 remains surprisingly usable in day-to-day life. Visibility is decent. The front trunk provides usable storage space, and the car doesn't scrape or whimper every time you hit a speed bump. It's quiet when you want it to be, brutal when you need it to be. In many ways, the R8 has always been the thinking person's supercar, the one you could live with every day without giving up the weekend thrill. But there's more to this car than just stats and comfort. The 2025 Audi R8 is an emotional machine. It's one of the last naturally aspirated, non-electrified supercars you can buy. It represents an era that's quickly fading, where the connection between car and driver was defined by feel, feedback, and sound, not screens, sensors, and software. It's a celebration of what driving used to be and still can be. Audi has also introduced a few special editions and packages for the final year R8, from custom paint schemes, forged lightweight wheels, to limited carbon fiber trim packs. This final version gives buyers the chance to truly personalize their machine. There are even rumors of a rear-wheel drive-only performance model that gives purists a more analog, raw version of the R8. Less weight, more tail-happy fun. Now let's talk about the legacy. The Audi R8 first arrived in 2006 and immediately shook the supercar world. It proved that a German manufacturer could not only compete with Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren, but could beat them in everyday usability, reliability, and all-weather performance. And over the years, it only got better. From V8 to V10, from manual to dual clutch, from road to racetrack, the R8's evolution has been nothing short of legendary. The 2025 model is not just another update, it's the full circle moment. The last chapter of a story that has thrilled millions. With electrification on the horizon, Audi has confirmed that future R models will go electric, which means this: V10-powered beast may never be born again. That's why this year's R8 is not just a car, it's history. A moment frozen in time. And for those lucky enough to drive or own one, it's a feeling that will never be replaced. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of a finely engineered machine, the 2025 Audi R8 offers something very few modern cars do: authenticity. It doesn't need hybrid trickery or artificial sound generators. It roars with a real V10, drives with real passion, and looks like a piece of moving art. It's the kind of car that turns heads, steals hearts, and leaves a trail of goosebumps wherever it goes. So where does the R8 go from here? Officially, this is the end, but the impact it leaves will echo for decades. It has inspired countless dreams, shaped Audi's performance, identity, and earned a seat in the Hall of Supercar fame. Whether in racing, on screen, or on your favorite road, the R8 has always delivered something special, and the 2025 version is the purest form of that spirit. If you're in the market for a true driver's car, one that thrills your soul, not just your stopwatch, the 2025 Audi R8 should be at the top of your list. It may be the last of its kind, but it's undoubtedly one of the greatest. Thanks for watching and being part of this final ride with a true icon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you love cars with soul, performance with character, and reviews that go beyond the surface. This is Start Autoz Time, and we'll see you on the next one where passion meets performance and legends come alive.